Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nakikita nyo naman sa harap natin, ang lalaki ng mga kape nila dito.
Yes, sir. So, welcome to XLcoffee Frozziyo.
Yes.
This is located po dito sa may San Fernando, Pampanga, particularly along MacArthur Highway ng San Isidro.
Yes.
On our table, actually, these are just some of the food that they were able to serve us. Earlier, natikman natin yung kanilang mga DIY noodles.
At the same time, yung kanilang DIY yogurt.
Yes.
So, we will do a DIY ice cream and yogurt dito sa may XLcoffee.
So you have three choices. You have vanilla, mix, and yogurt. Their yogurt is a Korean yogurt.
Massive talaga siya.
Massive
So,
talaga siya.
if you want to balance naman, go for the mix. No?
Go for the mix. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo mo talagang gusto mo ay sweetness in life, go for the vanilla.
So, since DIY nga ito, kayo yung pipili kung ano yung itatoppings nyo. So, later on, papatimbang natin para malaman natin kung magkano naman yung babayaran natin. So dito, kuha lang kayo ng kuha basta kung gusto nyo. For timbangan na. Okay.
Bali yan po, ang weight niya po is per 105 grams po, ang price po niya is 280 po. Tapos yun po, 210 po, 390 grams.
Yan, to give you an idea, so dito pala, 54 pesos sila per 100 grams. So yun, so ito yung ginawa natin, and ready to eat na ako. So, yung mga yogurt series nila. So meron tayong blueberry, strawberry, and green grapes. Same time, meron tayong mga smoothie naman dito.
Smoothie. So you have strawberry at saka mango, and then added dito yung kanilang mga parang mga ades.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have strawberry and this one's blueberry.
For their coffee naman,
And for their XLcoffee,
Yes.
so they have biscoff latte,
Uh-huh.
they have mocha latte,
Yes.
and of course, caramel macchiato.
this is a new cafe. So meron tayong yung mga croffles, sa croissant and waffle. So meron tayong biscoff, matcha, and yung ng Oreo.
Yes. So in the middle, ayan, meron tayong nachos. So we also have waffles. This one is their cookies and cream. Meron din
Yes.
tayong strawberry.
And for their breads, we have a lot of kinds of
Assorted
croissants,
actually.
yes,
Meron.
assorted
An example
croissants.
would be sausage at pang croissants nila.
Yes.
To give you an idea para to sa yogurt nila.
Yes.
These are mga Korean yogurt. So kung yung asim yung basihan, talaga medyo maasim sila compared to mga regular.
Stuck na maasim.
Expected naman. While we are, tasting the food, actually the place, para sa akin, it's very spacious. It can accommodate siguro 40 to 50 siguro parang gano'n. We have several tables and chairs dito. It's not too intimidating in terms of the the theme and look and feel. So there you have it, guys. Another place for you to check out sa mga yogurt lovers,
Yes.
even coffee lovers that are really, huge in sizes. Guys, this is the place for you to check out.
Yeah, so XLcoffee is located dito sa may San Isidro, San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, tapat lang siya or nasa loob siya ng Enoch gas station.
Correct.
And they are open from 11 a.m. up to 11:30 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye, guys.